Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, so in this video we are thrifting at the Goodwill. So let's get started, guys. Now they are looking pretty stocked, so I'm so happy about that. I'm gonna leave you to a little bit of music so you can enjoy all the items that I'm showing you, and I'll see you in and out of the video. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Always remember to head on over to my community tab, where there you're going to find the calendar of collaborations for the month. You will also find all of the thumbnails, the hashtags, and all of the co-hosts, hosts, and guest hosts on the thumbnails. So I'm loving the fact that they're stocked, and I'm specifically looking for some teapots or certain teapots, and they don't have the lids. I'm not understanding that at all. Now, do you see what I see? That is an apple teapot. I am loving it. That's coming home with me. So along with all these teapots that don't have lids, I'm finding a lot of chinoiserie pieces, and so that I'm really liking. I just cannot seem to find something in a set. So I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.